You almost know that. You don't even know what's coming, but no.
I know, right?
You know, open leg rocker. So have a look. Bend. I'm demonstrating because she doesn't actually. I don't think we've done this yet. Bend your feet. Have your hands inside your knees and hold your ankles. Find your core and then lean back so you're balancing just like rolling like a ball, so you want your belly pulled in. Now from here, stay balanced and steady. Take your right leg out. Extend it and bend it back. Take your left leg out. And back. Take your right leg out. And back. Take your left leg out. And back. Now, next level, both legs out. Basic. And back. And both legs out.
You could see that you're a dancer, I'm sure, because you've got such a mobile waist.
And back. Now, put your foot down for a minute. The next one, by the way, I have to correct myself a bit. I usually don't start here. I start behind the knees because many people are just not flexible enough. So it's a little easier. So you see, this is more simple. Yeah, and then then here is, this is the hard, this is like the ideal version. Now, ideal version, round, not flat back, into the core, so you're like rolling like a ball shape. Now you extend both legs. I'm not sure if I'm going to do this, I'll do this now. You will roll back to the shoulders and come up again. Roll back. Oh my God. Yeah, and up. Careful.
All the way down, like this?
All the way down, back, balance, hold it. And roll back towards the shoulder blades, to the shoulder blades. And up.
Back, yeah.
Okay, let's break it down a little bit before. So first of all, I'm really like I did it too advanced for all of you to build up so you do it the right way. Here is harder, here is easier. So what's important with this is that you stay in the core. You were popping into your back. You feel that like the balance, so I think you were as well. That's over and over the reflex the human body has. So let's everybody hold here.